back to another video. So today we are talking about bridge kickover. Yes, these will be all the drills that you can do once again at home to achieve your bridge kickover, to make it stronger, and to get the skill. So without further ado, let's go get into it. So the first drill that I love having my athletes practice is a bridge holding their leg up. If your athlete cannot hold their leg up, how do you expect them to kick off of it and go over? So I always want to make sure that all the athletes can hold their leg up, and we always count for 5 seconds. Of course, you can hold it longer, but you want a nice, strong, dominant leg, and you want a nice, sturdy bridge. The next drill that I have my athletes practice is hopping with one leg in the air. This is going to be a really good takeoff drill when they actually do start kicking over. Once again, you want to remind your athlete to push on their shoulders, squeeze their bottoms, and push their hips to the ceiling. Hold that leg up, and we are hopping. Once the athlete has the concept of hopping off of one leg, we then start practicing our bridge kickover on a block or a high surface. If you are at home, you can always do this on your couch. When I'm doing mobile lessons and we don't have the block, we do work off of the couch. So that is definitely something that you can do, but you want to put your feet and your bottom on the high surface or a block. You want to push up to your bridge and you want to kick over. The higher the surface, the easier the kickover will be. Once they are able to kick off with the block, I then open up a cheese mat and I have them go to the top of the cheese mat and we start working bridge kickovers going down the cheese mat. Being that it is at an angle, when they kick over, gravity is going to help them get over. Make sure they're landing in that beautiful lunge. Once the athlete is able to do a bridge kickover at the top of the cheese mat, it's time to work their way down. And I love working their way down to the cheese mat because it's just giving the athlete that inspiration, that motivation that they can do it. So we start at the very top, we work our way down to the middle, and then we work our way down to the bottom. And those are the drills that you can do at home to get your bridge kickover. If you are an athlete struggling with the bridge kickover, these are some drills you can also do to help strengthen your arms, strengthen your legs, and just overall strengthen this skill. So once again, if you are doing this at home, please have a parent or a guardian present, or let them know that you are practicing, because we do not want any injuries. So with that being said, you already know what to do. Like, share, comment, don't forget to subscribe, and I'm gonna catch you in my next video.